Hello and welcome you again in our Resilience and Coping series. My name is Karolina Skulska, and if you haven't watched our previous recording, please check, as there are different recordings and different strategies that can be applied to support stress management and overall mental and physical well-being. Motivation. In theory, we all know what this terms mean. We also know that it's making some people successful and slow down others. We all have been in a situation in our life where we were more or less motivated. You might want to know why I left this subject as the last one. Well, you might say that to perform all the things mentioned in our previous videos and stay healthy, you need to feel motivated. So that subject should really go as a first, but let me introduce you to a couple of theories that might change your mind. In 1954, Abraham Maslow created hierarchy of needs. That was a comprehensive attempt to classify human needs in a particular order. The hierarchy was presented in the form of a pyramid, where every level outlines a certain class of needs. He argued that the certain needs has to be met first before people can move up the hierarchy on the pyramid. At the very bottom, he placed our physiological needs. That means that we need air, food, shelter, rest, and activities. In a real life, if you struggle with any of those, remember that there are organizations out there to support you, and Europia is one of them. If those basic needs are met, the next step on a pyramid consists of a safety needs. And these are protection from dangerous objects, physical and psychological threats, and the importance of being familiar and of routine. Stepping upwards, there is love and belonging needs. So receiving and giving love, trust, acceptance, affiliating with or being part of the group. We have spoken about that, how to do that in the previous videos. We all need to feel connected, accepted, and loved to be able to claim another step on a hierarchy, that are self-esteem needs. In there are few things that can be outlined as gaining trust and respect from others, feeling competent, gaining self-esteem and self-respect. Maslow argued that if all those needs are met, we are able to move up into self-actualization need. That means then we are able to release our full potential, like a moment of creation. You might see now why I have chosen to leave this video as the last one. All previous one concentrated on how to achieve those steps for you to be able to start working on your full potential. To be able to understand motivational process even better, it is highly important to understand that it's consisting of another two factors. Our motivation can be either internal or external. And as an example, I will give you a workplace scenario where the best employees are those who will have a mix of both. So they are motivated externally by the salary, but then they will also feel that their jobs, it's something that they really enjoy and they're maybe even passionate about. That will be an internal factor. It has been proven that we are most efficient if motivated by both. But the same applies into everyday life. If you are able to self-regulate, understand where are your inner needs and values, you have covered all your psychological needs, you feel safe, loved, and your self-esteem and motivation will be something that will come very naturally. You will then be able to choose things which are right for you, search jobs that will satisfy your needs, and choose appropriate partner or friends without compromising on your feelings. External motivation is also very important, but it doesn't consist only from your salary. That will be all the goals that you are setting, the plans that you are making, and exactly the end results should be your motivating factor. I strongly believe that time management is also very important. Depending on your goals, you should be spreading tasks over years, months, weeks, and days. So, for example, if you decided that you want to lose some weight, you need to set achievable date. Consider all the action that has to be taken and place them on a timeline. In this example, that will be probably a few months to a year when you would need to put a lot of planning on your weekly and daily nutrition plan and exercise program that is regularly changed and set up into your individual needs. But you might have a bigger goal, which is, for example, changing a career. And that might even include a university program. To be able to achieve at the best and choose like the best end result, you will need to start planning how to implement your learning pattern into your daily routine. The bigger goals should be divided into smaller. That will help in making sure that you are on the track and gives you small treasure on the way that your brain really likes. Remember to celebrate your achievements, those big and those small ones, as a reminder that you are closer to your main goal. We have spoken about habits, and you will shortly notice that achieving new objectives, it will become just the way of being in your self-development journey. I hope that you've enjoyed our 7 weeks together. Please follow Europia, because I'm sure this is not the end of joint journey. Leave us some comments of what would you like to see in the future. There is so much out there that can be shared. Please let us know what would be a valuable content that you would like us to include. Take care, stay safe and healthy. Bye.